Hi, I'm Hillary.
And I am Catherine. Welcome to Costa Blanca, the lowest priced townhouse in the area, and there is no CDD.
And we're in a great location. Think about it. We're only 40 minutes from Miami and the gateway to the Keys.
And for commuter, it's only 4 minutes from the turnpike.
But it's our homes that people really love, especially this beautiful kitchen.
And with an open concept design, it's easy to spend time with your friends and family while you're preparing your favorite meal.
All of our floor plans include impact windows and are light and airy and come with a very spacious owner suite. And with 2 floor plans to choose from, one with a first floor bedroom and bath, and the other with a flex room, which is perfect for a home office or playroom.
The choice is yours. We really have it all here. Close to all major retails and great restaurants. You gotta try Bahama Spice. It's our favorite.
From design selections, the build process, financing, and beyond, we're with you every step of the way.
Absolutely. So please come and see us to tour our decorated models and learn more.
We look forward to showing you around. We'll see you soon.